Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Ganesh IAS Academy. In this session, we'll be discussing about environment previous year questions. So this is a new initiative by Ganesh IAS Academy where previous year questions will be discussed and analyzed, and this will be done subject wise, and I'll be handling environment topic. Okay, so let us get into the details of this session. The question that we are going to discuss now is from the year 2023 Prelims examination, and the question is, which of the following organisms perform waggle dance for others of their kin to indicate the direction and the distance to a source of their food? This is the question which is falling under the environment category, which was asked in 2023, and the options given here are butterflies, dragonflies, honeybees and wasps. These are the options that are given. So which one is the correct answer for this? That we need to know. Actually, the answer for this question is honeybees. It is honeybees. Honeybees are the ones which does this waggle dance. Okay, so here we need to understand the details of what waggle dance is, because from previous year questions a new question can be framed. A statement from one of the previous year questions can be asked in the upcoming examinations. So you need to understand the details of what waggle dance is. Let us get into the details of it. So the answer here is honeybee. Okay, actually whenever we study about the previous year questions, then we have to understand this, that it is always linked to some current affairs. Okay, so even this honeybee waggle dance is also related to one of the current affairs that was there. So this is a news article from the Hindu newspaper, and the news goes like, unlocking secrets of the honeybee dance language. Okay, so this is the news, and it was on 11th March 2023, and the exam was in May 2023. Okay, so this is how the questions are asked from the current affairs. And I mean, even on 23rd May 2022, a quiz was asked in the Hindu newspaper, which again focused on the waggle dance. Okay, a two-word term used for movement performed by a honeybee to indicate to other bees the direction and the distance of a source of food is called as what? Okay, and the answer for that was waggle dance. So this question is entirely based on current affairs, we can say. Okay, so now let us get into the details of waggle dance. What waggle dance is? Honeybees possess one of the most complicated examples of non-human communication. So this is a non-human communication which is there, and then they can tell each other, one honeybee can tell another honeybee where to find resources such as food, water and nest sites with a physical dance called as waggle dance. Okay, so this is how the waggle dance is done. So this honeybee will be taking this path. This movement is called as, this up and down movement is called as waggling. Okay, so this is waggle dance, this is called as waggle run, and then they will take a circle either this way or this way. So each of these indicates particular things. Okay, so let us understand. So this dance conveys the direction, distance and even the quality of the resource to other bees that are there in the hive. Okay, so waggle dancers. So the honeybee which does the waggle dance is called as waggle dancer here, and then it gives instruction to the followers who are the receivers here, and they can find the indicated resource. Okay, it may be food, water or nest sites and other things. And here, longer the waggle runs communicate greater distances. So if the waggle run is longer, it means the food source or any other resource is farther away. Okay, and then the waggle angle communicates the direction. So in which direction is the food source located is communicated through the waggle angle. Okay, and then For higher quality resources such as sweeter nectars, dancers repeat the waggle run more times. So they will be repeating the waggle run more times, which means the quality of the resource here is higher. And then they race back faster after each waggle dance when the quality of the resource is higher. That is sweeter nectar here. Okay. And even here the angle, we talked about the waggle angle, right? So the angle between the vertical and the waggle run, this is vertical and this is the waggle run's angle. Okay. So the angle between the vertical and the waggle run is actually equal to the angle between the sun and the foot source. So this angle and this angle will actually be same. Okay, so this is how they find the foot source easily. And then figure 8 portion resets the position of the dancer. It takes 8 shape while it dances. It waggles here and then it takes 8 shape. Okay, so this is called as waggle dance. Okay, I hope this is clear. So from exam point of view, whenever you study a species in news, what all do you have to focus from exam point of view? What all can be asked from each species? So you need to focus on certain unique features which is exhibited by that species, like adaptations, and then hibernation and aestivation kind of behavior that is there, and then any other social behavior that particular species has. This you have to focus. Next, are there any migratory patterns that a particular species is taking? Moreover, its courtship rituals like mating rituals. Next, tools that are used by a particular species. That can also be a potential question. Next is echolocation, which are done by animals like dolphin, bats and other things. And then nocturnal and diurnal behavior. Moreover, parental care is also to be considered whenever you study a species in the news. So these are all the features that you have to focus on whenever you study a species in the news. Okay, so the answer for this question is honeybees. That is, which of the following organisms perform waggle dance for others of their kin to indicate the direction and distance to a source of their food? Like in the explanation, we explained that it is honeybee which does have, waggle dance. Okay.